In this video, I'll show you how to fix if your Vizio TV has some HDMI problem. So if you don't see the device that is connected, nothing is working, I'll show you how to fix this. So let's get started. The first thing you can try is to unplug every devices connected by HDMI to your Vizio TV. Then unplug your Vizio TV from the wall socket during 5 minutes. Meanwhile, find the power button that should be located on the back or under your Vizio TV and keep pressed on that button during 30 seconds. Then release it, and once the 5 minutes has passed, you can plug back your TV into the wall socket and one by one plug back each HDMI devices. This should solve your problem. Another thing you can try is to use another HDMI cable, because with time they stop working properly. I'm sure you have another one laying around your house that you can try. This way we'll know that it's not your TV's fault, it's actually the HDMI cable's fault, and this is very easy to replace. I have put a link in the description if you want to get a brand new one from Amazon. Another solution that you can try is, before connecting anything in the HDMI ports, take your thumb or any fingers and press on the HDMI ports. Sometimes they get disconnected from the motherboard or anything that is behind, and simply by pressing you're able to reconnect and make it work. Even when you connect back your HDMI cable, press a bit more than usual, just to make sure it's staying snug there. You should also check that you choose the right input on your Vizio TV. On the back, each HDMI port have a number, 1, 2 or 3. On the remote control, you should have, you see there in the middle of the screen, a small icon with a small square with an arrow going in it. This is the input sign. Tap on it and make sure you select the right HDMI port. Some Vizio TV even have an input button on their back. Just press by it and you'll be able to select again between HDMI 1, 2 or 3, depending which one you want to use. But first you need to check on the back of your TV, knowing which of the 1, 2 or 3 HDMI ports you're using. If nothing worked, you can factory reset your Vizio TV. You're gonna lose all the apps and all your personal data from the TV. It'll be just like new, just like when you unboxed it for the first time. To do so, you need to press the menu button on the remote control, then select System, select Reset and Admin, and then select Factory Default. Sometimes it will ask you a passcode. If so, just type 000. And finally, select Reset and press OK. It will be done. It will just take a few minutes. Hopefully one of these solutions work. Please leave a comment down below if it worked, and if you have other solutions, please type them as well. I'm sure somebody will be very grateful for that. If not, leave a like and I will see you in the next one.